Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it is fantastic to have you here. For today's video we are unboxing and taking a look at the Tarot of Hearts by Isabel Hayes. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $34.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. Now let's get into it. Embark on a dazzling tarot odyssey that celebrates the creative arts in all its myriad forms. Dance, music, drama, cinema, and storytelling. Tarot of Hearts, Heart plus Arts, cute, invites you to join the colorful parade of tarot characters who will kindle your heart as they deliver their divinatory messages. Visionary artist Isabel Hayes hand-painted each card following the Rider-Waite system, adding an extra lover's card while displaying her own bold and passionate vision. The 79-card deck pulsates with world rhythms and delivers uniquely imagined stories. Minor arcana suits are replaced with artist tools from paintbrushes to piano keys. Give your imagination the freedom to play with the new shades and hues as you embark on your own inspirational tarot journey. Includes 79 gold gilt-edged cards and a 288-page full-color illustrated guidebook. That is exciting, and this sounds so fun. All right, love the packaging. We have a ribbon. Look at this thick book. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's exciting. And then we have the cards down below. Oh, and they're wider. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, and there's the bottom of the packaging there. Little pupper. Cute. All right, let's take a peek at the guidebook first to see if there's anything important we need to know. We do have a nice table of contents here. Nice, nice, nice. For those readers who use reverse cards as well, the interpretations for reverse cards have been included in this guidebook. The upright and reverse versions are indicated as follows: opened and closed heart. Oh, I love that. Okay. And then it goes into the guide of the card meanings. Okay, and we have a heart spread back here with 5 cards. And then we have a gratitude section and Isabel. Okay, awesome. I'm going to unwrap these and we'll get into the flip through. Okay, I love that it's a linen. That is so nice. I know there's some controversy out there. Some people don't like linen cardstock, and that's perfectly fine. I do love it. I feel like it just feels really good in the hand. Okay, so there's the edges and the back. That's fun. And it is a little bit wider, but I think it's going to shuffle just fine. Okay. We've got no borders except for down below with the title and the number. And it's a matte. Oh, all the colors are so fun. I love this. It kind of gives me Mardi Gras vibes. So bright, so colorful, so creative. I love the little art palette. Oh my gosh. What a fun way to view tarot. And the other lover's card. Cute. There's so much to look at, but it's not overwhelming. Oh, the 8's right there in her hair, or the infinity, the 8. The infinity's right there in her hair. Ooh, that's a cool hermit. I like that you don't see the face. Okay, so I know this might be a little niche, but if you guys have watched Xena and seen the Journey into the Land of Illusia, where they do the musical number, this is the epitome of that to me. I highly recommend watching that episode. It is so, so good. Ooh, that death card is cool. Heart and mind. Oh, I really like this. This is going to give you some great readings. And if you are going through some kind of creative block, this might be a great tool to help you through that. Oh, the moon. That's really cool. Okay, and now we're getting into the minors. So we have the wands here. What a cool concept, a prism for the Eight of Wands. Oh, that's so cool. King before the Queen. Interesting. We still have the cat. Oh. Yeah, I am over the moon with this. I think this is beautifully done. Knight. Oh, so it kind of went backwards. I see what they did with organizing it. Okay. Cups. I love that they're using hearts, like anatomical hearts for this. That's so creative. Oh, that reminds me of that one painting, and it's gold. Gold colors, and I can't think of the name, but I'm sure you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. That's fun. Dolphins. Swords. We've got a pen for this. Very cool. Fountain pen. Her shoes are a fountain pen. This is so creative. Pencil sharpener. I love this one. Wow. The intuitive hits are fantastic. I love the creativity. I love the art style. Wow. Okay, and our last suit here, the Pentacles. You know what? This feels kind of whimsy goth as well, and I love that. It's very kind of nostalgic feeling for me. I've said that about a few decks recently, and I think it's because it's giving off that whimsy goth vibe. I love it. Oh, that's fun. Oh, I love this one too. I feel like she's just like, oh, it's gorgeous, darling. The personalities that are jumping out as I'm flipping through are just phenomenal. And the last one here. Okay, well, I'm in love. Let's see how it shuffles. Ooh, like butter. Yeah, it feels really good in the hand to shuffle. I was worried that, you know, it might be a little bit difficult just because it's wider, but it's really not. If you have small hands, I think it will work just fine. And it shuffles great this way too. Can I get a card to read, please? All right, we're going to read for the Eight of Wands. All right, there is a reminder there of what it looks like. And here we go. Now, whenever the element of fire is involved, act quickly and never waste time. News travels fast, sometimes faster than the speed of light, especially these days. Actions speak louder than words, and Eight of Wands is a fire in action card and is here to demonstrate speed. When this card appears in a reading, it foretells that everything in your life is perfectly aligned and in sync. Therefore, this is the perfect time to act. As the sun-drenched Parisian sky welcomes a new day, the Eight of Wands appears flying at the speed of light. The flirty glass panes from the Louvre museum wholeheartedly greet the wands. The colorful wands enter the museum and its window panes refract their light. This beautiful spectacle mesmerizes museum visitors because in less than a second, the interior of the Louvre is entirely bathed with a magical rainbow of colors and energy. Suddenly, the light shifts and the wands vanish. Where did they go? The heart speaks. Analyze your options. Always be clear and transparent like a sparkly window pane. Act swiftly and decisively like the refraction of light. Be creative and think outside the triangle. Life can change at the blink of an eye like a rainbow. Events are in motion. Act quickly. The Eight of Wands' final destination is the heart. And then we have keywords. So open heart, so upright. Conclusion, news, act now, changes, movement, and speed. And then closed heart, the reversed, obstructions, resisting change, lack of direction, and burnout. Quote, colors can change the world. Together we are becoming culturally mixed. End quote. Bertrand Golu, French painter. Oh my gosh, I love this. I know I've said it, but I think it's brilliant. I think creatively it's so different and unique and fun, and it's gentle, but it tells it like it is. I'm getting so many wonderful intuitive hits out of this. The quality of the cardstock is fantastic. I don't think we even did the flexibility test. I was too excited to get involved. But yeah, it is definitely US Game Systems cardstock, very flexible but snaps back. It is right in that sweet spot for me where it's not super thin and it's not super thick, so kind of medium. Definitely feels really, really good in the hands. I love the art style. I love that I'm seeing people from all over. I love the extra lovers card. I think this is just beautiful. It speaks to me. It speaks to, you know, my love of color and fun imagery. This is just beautifully done. I love that it sticks to like the Rider-Waite-Smith imagery, but mixes it up. Like the symbols are all there. It's just beautiful. So I now want to know what you guys think of this deck. Are you excited about it? Is this something that has been on your radar? What are all of your thoughts? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck my way. I am so pumped to get to know it on a more personal level. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, I would so appreciate it if you hit the like button, subscribed, and turn notifications on. That way you will never miss a video upload from me, and it helps me with the algorithm gods. Thank you so much again. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.